that aimed to stop New Orleans Mayor LaToya Cantrell from traveling has been blocked for now.
A judge has sided with the mayor in this back and forth battle over an ordinance that was passed by the city council. WDSU's Cassie Sherm is joining us now from outside of civil court with the arguments. Cassie, and what's next?
Well, it all boiled down to the language of the travel ban ordinance on whether it violates the city's home rule charter. Well, according to this judge, he said it did. Orleans Civil Court Judge Sidney Cates made his ruling temporarily blocking the council's citywide travel ban as Mayor Cantrell is in Washington, D.C. for a conference.
It's my opinion that the injunction should be permanent, although the judge basically held that a certain aspect of the ordinance did not comply with the law. It is still our belief that the entire ordinance, or what they're attempting to do, is totally unconstitutional, illegal, void, and against the law.
The ban, which stops all non-essential travel for city employees on the taxpayer dime, was initially enacted after the administration backed out of a funding deal with the Orleans Parish School Board, stating the city is in a financial crisis, that spending is out of control, and the city's financial instability is imminent.
Reoccurring costs, as things stand, cannot continue.
So the council put the ban in place for 2 months to get a better idea of spending concerns. The mayor then took them to court to stop the ban instead of vetoing at City Hall. And the judge's ruling for the mayor focused on how the ordinance was written.
It's not uncommon for judges to rule narrowly, and they often don't want to touch some of the bigger, more controversial issues in these cases. And the judge's ruling was pretty narrow. So we'll take a look at it and see what next.
The arguments in the courtroom that were not ruled on: should the mayor travel on the taxpayer dime to conferences while the city faces financial concerns? And does the council have the ability to restrict her travel?
The mayor makes the determination as to what is essential to the administration, to the city, and to her. If they want to have control over the administration, then they should run for mayor.
This as 2 council members have already launched their mayoral campaigns. Now, next we'll have a hearing to decide whether the pause on the travel ban will continue and be permanent, and it's something that we'll follow very closely. Reporting here at Civil Court, I'm Cassie Sherm, WDSU Investigates.